Wow! Such a beautiful Instagram you're having. But Instagram photos can't make much money. Or maybe it can? Increase sales in a snap and impress more customers with your current Instagram feed. Sounds like a good idea, right? Socialwidget can help you out. The best app for displaying Instagram feed and slider. Embed your best performing Instagram's feed anywhere on your websites. With Socialwidget, you can create strong social proof without manually copy and paste. Why Socialwidget? It drives more traffic to your websites and Instagram. It expands your Instagram community faster and easier than ever. It converts up to 92% of browsers to buyers. And what can you do with Socialwidget? Customize and create as many galleries as you want. Design an eye-catching feed in a breeze, with multiple widget and theme settings. Enable your Insta feeds to adapt to any screen size and always look nice on all devices. Socialwidget. Drive social proof. Drive sales. Install Socialwidget now.